just had our culminating event for the BPI Bayan project of BPI Business Banking, the Kislap project.
So right now, we want to focus financial inclusion first to give new knowledge to our parents on how to save money, budgeting and all, and then livelihood workshops. For next year, I think we have several projects that will include yung mga parents with ASD and IDD to support yung needs nila for their kids, especially mga therapies, yung mga meds nila.
We have 2 activities for them. Yung isa is yung candle making and the other one is yung dishwashing soap making para magkaroon nga ng income itong mga magulang or mga kapamilya na mga batang may mga pangangailangan na ASD under the spectrum.
Yun yung yun yung pangangailangan ng magulang sa araw-araw. Kung wala ka ng dishwashing, wala ka pang hugas ng plato.
Masaya siya, as in, sarap siya sa pakiramdam na matulungan mo yung mga batang gano'n na pumasok sa'yo na nakatulala lang. Pero nung kalaunan na napakaganda sa feeling na, uy, may natutunan siya kahit kukunti man yan. At least may natutunan siya. May nagbago doon sa behavior niya.
Kahit matanda na, yung makita ko sila na they will be in good hands, magkaroon sila ng work, they can be really independent.
Walang segregation, walang exclusion, dapat inclusion, di ba? Inclusion po talaga.
They will be accepted by the society.
Magiging inclusive yung feeling both nila at ng mga bata at ng mga pamilya nila. I salute these parents. Hindi siya madali. Kaka-proud sila na kinakaya nila because hindi lahat kakayanin yon at hindi lahat paninindigaan yung responsibility na yon.
Mapapanood ko ng estudyante ko, masasabi ko lang mahal na mahal ko sila lahat.